So, kung pagbabasehan natin yung kagusto ng taong bayan, ang galit ng taong bayan, na gusto nila, mas maganda kung sundin natin yung kagusto ng taong bayan, right?
Opo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
What?
I would like to manifest that hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ho tayong lahat, yung sigaw ng taong bayan na libo-libo sa People Power Monument sa Luneta, hindi lang po pagnanakaw, they were also shouting. And I believe the Secretary of Justice heard that. And I believe Malacanang heard that. Kaya nga po, hindi po batas ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas na yan. Sometimes, you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Flashback. A few moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
I
Meanwhile,
would like to manifest that hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ho tayong lahat, yung sigaw ng taong bayan na libo-libo, they were also shouting